Here, what we are going to do is we are going to figure out how to print in a zigzag manner in level order. So what does that mean? So in this, what we'll do is we'll first print 1. Then in the next level, we'll print in the opposite way, which is 3 and 2. Then in the next one, we'll print in the straight way, which is 4, 5, 6, and 7. And in the other one, what we'll do is we'll print in the opposite way, which is 11, 10, 9, and 8. So that is basically what we have to do. We have to do a level order traversal, but in the first layer, we'll actually print in one direction. In the second layer, we'll actually print in the opposite direction. Whenever we have to, so this is basically just a level order traversal, but whenever we actually have to print the values in the opposite manner, or we just have to reverse it, what we need to do is we need to put values in a stack, right? So that's all we need to do. So this will still be a level order traversal, and first time when we print, we'll actually print in one direction. Next time when we are actually printing it, we'll keep a variable. We'll keep flipping that variable. So first time we print it and we flip it. When we flip it, what we'll do is instead of printing it, we'll actually put it in a stack. So next time when it comes, it'll be 2 and 3. Right. The next level when we go, we'll figure out if the stack is not empty. If the stack is not empty, we'll actually print it. So when we pop out, so 3 comes and then 2 prints. Then for the next level, we'll basically just print all the values, which is 4, 5, 6, 7. For the next level, instead of printing them, what we'll do is we'll actually put them in a stack. So 8, 8, 9, 10, and 11 comes in the stack. And then after that, when the level changes, what we'll do is we'll actually print 11, pop out the stack and keep printing it. So it'll be 11, 10, 9, and 8. Right, so this is basically just a level order traversal. We'll see how to write the code for this one. Okay, so already I have created the binary tree and stuff like that. So let's actually create a private public void print zigzag. Okay, so first thing we'll check is if root is equal to null. If root is null, then we just return. Otherwise, we take a queue, of node, and okay, so we basically take a queue. Then what we do is we enqueue the root into it. So we add root. Next, what we do is queue.add null. This is used to figure out if we are actually changing levels. Then what we'll do is we'll say while queue dot is empty, while the queue is not empty. So we have to take one or two more things into consideration. One is, are we printing or are we putting in the stack? So we'll say we'll have a Boolean value. Sorry, b print is equal to true. So we are printing 1. The root we are actually printing it. Next, what we need is we need a stack. So basically have a stack. This is a stack. When we are not printing, we'll be putting values inside the stack. Right. So while the queue is not empty, what we'll do is we'll actually take out the node. Queue dot remove. So we'll take out the node. We'll check if node is not equal to null. If node is not equal to null, in that case, otherwise we come over here. If node is not equal to null, then we'll figure out, are we printing it? If bprint is equal to true, so in that case, we are just printing it out. So we'll say uh, JSOUT, and we'll say node.data plus, we'll just have a comma. Okay, so we print it out. Otherwise we'll say stack dot push, and we'll push the node in there. Okay, so that is either we put it in the stack or we print it out. Then we have to figure out if the left node exists, we add it in the queue. If the right node exists, we add it in the queue. So we'll say if node dot left is equal to is not equal to null, then queue dot add node dot left. We'll do the same for the right. Okay, so we are over here. So first time bprint is equal to true, so we are printing it out. When it changes level, we'll say bprint we'll just negate the bprint. Then we'll check if while we'll just write the code, and if the stack actually has something, we'll just continue to print it. So we'll say while stack dot is empty. While the stack is not empty, we will print it out. We'll print stack dot pop dot data, and we'll put a comma. Okay, and then we'll just print a new line. Okay, so stack is not empty. We'll just pop out everything and then print it. We will check if queue dot is empty. If the queue is empty, we break out of this loop. Otherwise, what we do is we say queue dot add, we add a new null. Okay, we add a new null. If you need clarification on so if there are elements in stack, print them. Okay, if you need clarification on how the level order traversal works, see the video for level order traversal. So we reverse this, and whenever we actually change the levels, we actually reverse this. I think that should just do it. And this is end of while, and this is end of function. Okay, so we'll come over here and we'll say tree dot print zigzag. Oh, I think we did something wrong. So we'll come over here. If it is print, we actually print the value. Oh, we are popping the value. So world stack is 1 and then 2. Oh, yes, that's why you don't do copy and paste. Dot right and dot right. Okay, so now this should run. 1, 3 and 2, 4, 5. Oh, this should be print. One, 3 and 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 10, 8. Oh, we actually removed 9 from the previous one, so 9 was gone. So if we go to the main, we will uncomment the 9. Okay, so now it should print 1, 3 and 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 10, 9 and 8. 1, 3 and 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 10, 9 and 8. Yeah, So let's see you in the next video.